Greetings, beautiful people. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm just going to be making my daughter's hair as usual. So today we are going to be doing knotless braids. And the knotless braid, I'm going to be doing it with her natural 4C hair. No extension. Before I go ahead with the explanation of this video, even though it's self-explanatory, I just want to thank each and everyone who has been supporting me even while I'm away. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you very much. And even for my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate. And for the new people who are watching and they don't know you, they have to subscribe. Subscription is free. Please subscribe and join the family. Let's grow together. In this video, I'm just gonna show you how I'm making her hair. I'm not going to show you how I moisturize her hair because in on my channel I have a lot of videos that are showing how I detangle, I moisturize, I shampoo my kids hair. So if you want to know the detailed process on how I condition, deep condition, detangle, or moisturize my kids hair, please just go to the channel and type whatever video you want and you will see everything is there for you. As for now, I just shampooed her hair. I didn't deep condition her hair today because of time limit, so I just shampooed the hair before I started braiding. But before I shampoo her hair, I make sure I detangle the hair thoroughly. You know, before you do our 4C hair, if you just go in and shampoo it without detangling it, it will tangle them more. So you have to detangle your kids hair very well before you shampoo it. In that way, it will be very easy for you to manage. And after shampooing the hair, I went ahead with my Cantu leave-in conditioner and also oil. I use mostly olive oil on her hair because her hair loves it. And if I use any other oil like coconut oil, it makes the hair, or it changes the color of her hair. So I prefer using olive oil, which works best for her. And what I also use to detangle her hair, I used flaxseed gel most of the time to detangle her hair. If you don't have flaxseed gel, you can use aloe vera gel. And if you don't have aloe vera gel, you can use okra gel. Anyone you lay your hand on will do. Like I earlier said, don't ever make that mistake of washing your kids' hair without thoroughly detangle. If the hair is short, fine, you can manage it. But if it's long like her own, even though right now you can't really see the length because of shrinkage, but if you have a child whose hair is long, you have to make sure you properly detangle it. If not, you will spend most of your time detangling after washing. Yeah, so now I am just braiding the hair, as you can see. So I don't know, if you don't know how to box braids, you can leave me a comment in the comment section and I will do a detailed video on how to do knotless box braids. I used to make her hair with beads or other things just to look beautiful, but she doesn't like all those things on her hair, so I always make sure I just braid her hair just her natural. She likes keeping her natural hair without any attached beads or any other thing to it. But when she was much younger, I could do those things to her, but now at 8, she doesn't want those things anymore. And besides, she plays football, and whenever she goes for her training, they wouldn't like her to put beads because they say it can hit somebody, or in the course of turning her head it can even injure her. So they don't want her to use any beads on her hair. Okay, I also want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas because we are around the Christmas season. So um I know I've been away for a long time, but right now I will try my best to be back. It just because of a lot of things on my table, but I will make sure I come back to you guys, and I'll always make sure I make at least a video a week. If not two, one will be enough for a week. And if you have any other video ideas you want me to make for you, please just leave me a comment in the comment section and I will gladly make it for you. Also, if you have doubts on some of the things I've shared in my videos, or you have not fully understood some of the videos, please you can just leave me a comment and I will repeat the process for you guys. Yeah, here we are done with the hair, and now I just want to show you guys how it looks. It looks so beautiful and she loves it. She enjoys her hair, and I also love the way the pattern was so beautiful. And if you are living around where I am, don't hesitate to call me, or you can contact me on my IG so that I can also do your hair. Yeah, I also make hair at home, so contact me on my IG, guys, the same name as my YouTube name. If you live around me, I will gladly do your hair. If you have watched this video up to this end, thank you so much. I really do appreciate, and I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.